When you come up with a new idea and try it for a dance floor and it works, it is the most delicious feeling in the world. Like, to me, it's the closest thing for us as DJs to feel what musicians feel, like when they write a hit song and then they're able to perform it in front of people. I think all DJs are capable of creating amazing wordplay and routine ideas. They just don't have the right processes. If you've had success as a DJ by selecting the right music at the right time, then you are creative enough to come up with some sick routines. And if you're one of those DJs that thinks just wordplays and routines doesn't matter, the crowd doesn't get it or whatever, I gotta speak for myself because I built an entire career off of routines and ideas. I have more than 2 billion plays across all platforms of literally just me doing different cool mixes or wordplay ideas or whatever. I mean, that's literally how I get booked. And if you really don't think I'm about it, I post literal full and uncut sets from every gig for my VIP members right here on YouTube. There's a link in the description and you can watch my entire sets, like literally front to back, the entire sets. You can see how many different routines I do and how the crowd reacts. The proof is in the pudding. I'm not gonna sit here and talk about stuff that I don't truly know that works. And this in particular changed my life, people. So listen up. Now, the reason why most DJs don't come up with their own ideas is because they're not training their brain to find them. So the first thing I want you to do is do a brain training exercise to get your brain to kind of think in a way so you're constantly looking for ideas. This is literally the major key in all of this, because once you train your brain to listen to music a certain way, then all of a sudden ideas can hit you whenever. So this is what I want you to do. Once a day for a week straight, I want you to sit down and listen to 3 to 5 complete songs. Make sure 2 to 3 of those songs are songs that you know, and then the other ones are songs that you don't know at all, that you never really listened before, you just don't know the lyrics to or whatever. And then listen to these songs carefully. You can listen to it more than once, bring it back or whatever, but listen to each of them carefully and try and find anything that connects to another song. Literally anything. It could be a word, a phrase, a note, a melody, a cadence, anything that is like something similar that you've heard before. Now, if I'm being honest, this training exercise isn't gonna make you come up with shit. You're not gonna come up with one single idea. If you do, you're special, okay? But not everybody will. You're probably not gonna come up with anything. What you are doing though is you're training your mind to listen to music a certain way, right? You still enjoy music, but also in the back of your head, you have a little process going, listening for something that might be similar to something else. I would say that 95% of the ideas I've come up with as a DJ literally came to me as I was doing something regular. I was cooking, or I was taking a walk somewhere, or I was in the mall shopping, whatever. I just happened to be in a situation where I heard a song and I noticed something I never noticed before. And that brings me to the next thing that you have to have in place, because as you train your mind to notice these things, you do the exercise and you find that you're thinking of music differently, right? Then now you have to have a system for writing down these ideas, because they come to you and then they'll never come back again. So have a note in your phone, maybe like a voice memo, whatever is easier for you, a piece of paper. And as you come up with the ideas, write them down. Maybe a little context of like what you were thinking the wordplay was or what the idea was. And then what I like to do is at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, I'll have a music day or a music, for 3 hours, I'm gonna work on music this day. And that's when you break out all the notes and then you go through kind of like what you heard and then see what you can work out. Now keep in mind, maybe 1 out of 10 will be a great idea that'll actually work, maybe more, maybe less, but a lot of times you're gonna hear stuff and then when you go to put it together, it just doesn't sound good. But this is all practice. And the more and more you do this, don't get discouraged if you don't come up with anything crazy off the bat. It's an exercise. The more and more you do it, you'll be surprised at what you end up coming up with. When you come up with a new idea and try it for a dance floor and it works, it is the most delicious feeling in the world. Like, we're not writing these songs we're playing, but if we can write a really interesting transition that goes from one song to another, that's something original that we thought of. And if that translates on the dance floor, same feeling, people. It's right there. So stop waiting for ideas. Train your brain to find them.